Have you ever noticed how a butterfly's wings look the same on both sides? That magic has a name in math. Today we learn symmetry and coordinates. Line symmetry means a shape can be folded along a line so both halves match exactly. That fold line is called the line of symmetry or mirror line. Point symmetry is different. A shape has point symmetry if it looks the same after turning it halfway around a central point, like rotating the letter H. Now meet the Cartesian plane. Two number lines cross at a point called the origin. The horizontal is x-axis, vertical is y-axis. They create 4 quadrants. To plot point A at 3,2, start at the origin. Walk 3 steps right along x, then 2 steps up along y. Remember, x first, then y. Let's plot B at -2, 4. Go 2 steps left because x is negative. Then go 4 steps up. Our point lands in quadrant 2. Reflect point P at 4, 3 across the y-axis. The x-coordinate changes sign, but y stays the same, so P' becomes -4, 3. For point symmetry about the origin, both signs change. Point Q at 2, 5 becomes -2, -5. Think of it as flipping twice. Many students get this wrong. They swap the numbers. Point 32 is not the same as 2, 3. Always remember, x comes before y, like the alphabet. Remember this. Walk, then climb for coordinates. Line symmetry means fold. Point symmetry means spin. 3 simple ideas to ace your exam. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, quizzes, and videos to help you shine in your exams.